Welcome everyone. So I've been exploring the USDT generation concepts for about 3 years now, constantly evaluating different apps and software, and here's the reality. YouTube and Google absolutely saturated with fraudulent services. Seriously, probably 85% of what gets promoted is complete scam promotion. Honestly, trustworthy platforms in this area are disappearing fast, but Flash USDT remains one of the genuine few. Been using them around 8 months now, maybe closer to 9. Zero scam tactics, interface stays clean and understandable, reliability hasn't wavered. And here's how Flash USDT actually functions. You're generating tokens that appear identical to authentic Tether in your wallet. Matching visual design, same ticker display, everything looks legitimate. You just control the settings, how many times they can transfer, lifespan before expiration, daily transaction caps. It's just ideal for app testing, observing real token behavior, playing with DeFi mechanics, completely without risking actual crypto. So let me show you how this works.
Okay, so first move is choosing a token quantity. There are 4 different tiers, each displays pricing and explains optimal use scenarios, so I'm going with this one. Nice. Next, I'm configuring visibility duration. Options span from 1 hour up to 7 days. In this case, let's set it to 7 days. Good, solid. Now I input the target address and pick which network for USDT generation. Selecting TRC20 for this demonstration, switching to my wallet quickly, grabbing the USDT address back here, pasting it, and yeah, perfect. Everything aligns correctly. So the final action is hitting Buy Flash, and there we go. Here, 2 payment methods show up, send directly to the provided address or link my wallet. So linking wallet works easier for me, so tapping here. Okay, choosing trust, transactions processing. And yeah, excellent. 50K tokens just generated and dispatched. Now just waiting for balance confirmation now. So while that's going through, let me explain what separates this platform from all the scam operations flooding your YouTube feed and Google searches.
The biggest indicator I've found after evaluating maybe 30 or 40 different services is how they handle transparency, and most of them fail spectacularly at this. They deliberately obscure pricing details, bury actual functionality under mountains of marketing hype and testimonials that are probably fake, and you literally have no idea what you're actually purchasing until money's already gone and you're stuck with whatever they deliver. This app though, complete opposite approach. Everything's visible immediately, exact pricing displayed up front, limitation details are clear, duration specifications spelled out plainly. You know precisely what you're getting before spending anything. Blockchain technology is becoming fundamental infrastructure whether you're paying attention or not. Payment processors are integrating it, traditional banks are exploring implementations, supply chains are adopting it, digital ownership systems are building on it. Understanding basic blockchain literacy isn't some niche tech skill anymore. It's heading toward essential knowledge like understanding email or online banking.
The crypto testing space attracts scammers specifically because people expect to lose some money learning anyway, so they don't question it when platforms take payment and deliver nothing substantial. It's the perfect cover for fraud. Most services you'll find are either complete scams from day one, or they start legitimate, then turn into exit scams once they've collected enough. The warning signs are always there though. Vague feature descriptions, no verifiable blockchain activity, pressure tactics pushing you to buy quickly, fake urgency with limited time offers that never actually expire, testimonials that sound identical and generic. This platform has none of that. Straightforward feature explanations, every transaction verifiable publicly, no pressure whatsoever, consistent pricing without manipulative sales tactics, and user feedback that's specific and varied because it's from actual people sharing real experiences.